friends and fam, thrilled to see you online. In this show episode, let's solve this subtraction problem. 58 minus 49. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 8 minus 9. But I can't do it because 8 is smaller than 9. So we must borrow. You go to the 5 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it, so the 8 becomes 18 and 5 becomes 4. Now we have 18 minus 9, which equals 9, right? 9 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 4 minus 4 equals 0, right? 0 in the tens place. So 58 minus 49 equals 9. And this is our final answer to this problem. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.